Kamal Rani Varun was an Indian politician and cabinet minister in the government of Uttar Pradesh. She was member of Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly. She was also a member of 11th and 12th Lok Sabha. Rani was born on 3 May 1958 in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh and married Kishan Lal Varun, a volunteer of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, on 25 May 1975. She gave birth to a daughter and completed her MA in sociology at Kanpur University. In 1989, Kamal Rani was selected by the Bharatiya Janata Party to contest from the Dwarkapuri ward of Kanpur in the municipal elections and was elected as a councillor for Kanpur Municipal Corporation. She was victorious again in 1995, and in 1996, BJP selected her to contest from the Ghatampur parliamentary constituency. She was victorious and was re-elected in the 1998 Indian general election. However, she lost to Pyar Lal Sankwar in 1999 by 585 votes. During her tenure as a member of parliament, she served on advisory committees regarding labor, welfare, industry, women empowerment, official language and tourism departments. Kamal Rani unsuccessfully contested the 2012 Uttar Pradesh Legislative Assembly election from the Rasulabad constituency but was elected from the Ghatampur Assembly constituency in the 2017 elections with 48.52% votes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.